Become a Twitch affiliate or partner. To earn money directly from Twitch, you need to become either an affiliate or partner. To become an affiliate, you need to have at least 500 followers and stream for a total of 8 hours in the last 30 days. To become a partner, you need to meet certain criteria, such as having an average of 75 viewers per stream and streaming on a consistent basis. Once you're either an affiliate or partner, you can earn money through subscriptions, bits, and ads, promote products and services. As a Twitch streamer, you can promote products and services to your audience. You can do this by partnering with brands and promoting their products in exchange for a commission. You can also create your own products, such as merchandise, and sell them to your audience. Offer coaching and tutorials. If you're an expert in a particular game or skill, you can offer coaching and tutorials to your audience. You can charge a fee for these services, either per session or per package. Sell merchandise. As mentioned earlier, you can create your own merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs, and sell them to your audience. You can use platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Bonfire to create and sell merchandise. Collaborate with other streamers. Collaborating with other streamers can help you reach a wider audience and earn more money. You can collaborate by hosting each other's streams, playing games together, or doing joint events. Use affiliate marketing. You can promote products and services through affiliate marketing. This means you'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products related to your niche, such as gaming equipment, software, or games. Offer sponsored content. Brands may approach you to create sponsored content, such as reviews, tutorials, or gameplay videos. You can charge a fee for these services, either per video or per campaign. Use Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows you to earn money from your audience through recurring donations. You can offer exclusive content, such as behind-the-scenes footage, merchandise, or coaching to your patrons. Use social media. You can use social media platforms, such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, to promote your brand and connect with your audience. You can also use social media to collaborate with other streamers, promote products, and offer sponsored content. Attend events. Attending events, such as gaming conventions, expos, or meetups, can help you connect with your audience, promote your brand, and earn money through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and collaborations. In summary, to make money online with Twitch in 2024, you need to become an affiliate or partner, promote products and services, offer coaching and tutorials, sell merchandise, collaborate with other streamers, use affiliate marketing, offer sponsored content, use Patreon, use social media, and attend events. By following these steps, you can earn a steady income as a Twitch streamer.